stop, turn it up. Don't stop, turn it up.
Hey guys,
Hey guys,
day 3 in Singapore,
आज का प्लान है शॉपिंग
and we are also gonna go to the flyer, the Singapore flyer, the big wheel.
या गुड शॉपिंग के साथ अगर आप ट्रेन से आते हो, अगर टैक्सी से आते हो तो अपने पैसे उड़ा दिए इधर आने के लिए जो आप बचाने वाले थे.
So IMM Outlet Mall is 5 minutes walk from Jurong East MRT stop. This is Singapore's largest outlet mall with more than 90 outlet stores, all international brands. You will have discounts ranging from 40% to 50-60%. This is a mall with discount across stores. So please go and have a look. Don't instantly buy. You may get better offer somewhere else also.
Goodness, and he's still confused between this and that and this. I'm still going for more.
After a couple of hours of shopping, we are at Singapore
Hi.
Flyer.
We have this ticket from Klook. Thing which India should learn from Singapore is trees, plants everywhere. Like all man-made structure have this unlimited plants everywhere, and it does make difference visually also and otherwise also.
So Singapore Flyer is one of the largest observation wheel in the world. The views are more spectacular at night, but one thing to note, because of the light reflection on the glass capsule, taking pictures would be little more difficult. You can also choose an option of sky dining by Singapore Flyer. So as you exit the flyer, you can just walk out and you will see this road. It's actually a cycling road. और उसके सामने there is a promenade and water body. And what you can see across is Garden by the Bay, Marina Bay Sands and Felix Bridge. So basically a very good spot for sunset. So the plan is you should come for Singapore Flyer around 6. 6 के आसपास you will be able to see a good sunset. उसके बाद आप यहाँ पे आके कुछ देर बैठ के ये व्यू इंजॉय कर सकते हो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, एंड इट्स अ रियली ब्यूटीफुल व्यू, वेरी लेस पीपल, वर्थ विजिट.
Flyer is there. वहाँ से चल के यहाँ.
So फ्लायर से मरीना बे वाटरफ्रंट का वॉक इज नॉट दैट फार. इट्स 1.5 किलोमीटर एंड यू विल क्रॉस दिस फेलिक्स ब्रिज. यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्वेटरी डेक भी है where you can have very good skyline view and you can get very good pictures here and just take a walk on this bridge. It's really beautiful at night. So Marina Bay Waterfront Promenade, which is the mall का promenade, is a very good place to come. It's a free place. यहाँ पे light and sound show होता है.
We can't imagine this thing in India, like open promenade. People are using for dance practice. Nothing like it.
ये इतना होता है तो पर मॉल.
No, वो तो professional होता है. This is people just using this promenade to come and practice. There's not a performance happening. They're just practicing together.
We had some quick bites and some coffee at the Della's.
Thumbs up to this place. It's like very good, happening, lively place. Good promenade view, and you can even watch the water and light show from here with them. You need not even buy drinks. You can just sit here and enjoy the show. The name of that place is Lee Noir. Come here, background and the front view with the live music, nothing like it. You just bring your own liquor, sit here and enjoy this.
ये एप्पल का शोरूम.
Yeah, fuck, look at that. It's in the shape of apple. Let's have a look at that. This is one of the places with no money spent and you can still come
And have good time here, like enjoy sound and light show, come for a walk. People come here for jogging, cycling. There are open spaces. People come here for picnics. After a quick change at our hotel, we are going to party out. We are going to Canal Road. Let's explore. First on the list is the ballroom. And after that we visited the public. Day 4 in Singapore.
We were not that late though today, but बारिश हो रही थी, so इसलिए हम लोग वेट कर रहे थे बारिश के रुकने का. We are going to Bugis Road and उसके बाद प्लान है Garden by the Bays. Evening and night show for Garden by the Bays. So that's all about it.
नहीं इसके बाद हम लोग पार्टी के लिए भी जाना है रात को.
वो तो है ही. 10 मिनट का वॉकिंग है, then we are taking a metro and then we are again walking for 10 minutes and we are at Bugis Street. Let's go. कल बहुत पैसे स्पेंड किए हमने टैक्सी पे बिकॉज हम लोग बहुत देर से उठे थे और दिन इतना ज़्यादा प्लान नहीं था इसलिए. बट आज हम मेट्रो से ही ट्रैवल करेंगे मॉर्निंग इवनिंग एवरी टाइम एंड इवन टुडे एंड इवन डे आफ्टर. मयूर बिजी है अभी भी मैप देखने में.
No, just hold on. I'm just checking the menu.
Mayur is confused after looking at so many food options. We're going to go here. What are you trying? Yes, I'm getting the burrito. Wow!
Shopping master.
So Bugis Street is known for good, cheap and cheerful shopping. It's better than street shopping. You'll find good shops. After a couple of hours shopping, we are here at Garden by the Bay. We wanted to experience this in daylight and at night also, so we are here at the right time. People are sitting here to watch the light show. यहीं पे आपको light show देखने को मिलेगा. There is this concrete place and also there is little grassland where you can sit. The best way to have good views. It feels like part of Avatar movie. It's just come out of it. And here we go.
Garden Rhapsody is brought to you by Gardens by the Bay, and we hope that you have enjoyed the show.
So you can go from here to the observatory deck over there and also take a walk here. The fee for that is 1,000 per person. And I would suggest come down and enjoy the light show. नीचे आके light show बहुत सुंदर लगता है instead of up.
Also after the light show there is this mist and light and sound again, which is totally mystical, like it's really beautiful. And time to go up. And here we are at Silawi Singapore Sky Bar, which is at the rooftop of Marina Bay Sands. And this is one of the must visit rooftop bars in Singapore. Enjoy the view, guys. This is our day 5th in Singapore and we are heading towards Art Science Museum, which is at Marina Bay. It's definitely one of its kind and it's a must visit. Also, it's very easily accessible. So guys, don't miss this. Enjoy a quick glimpse of it with us. It's a very beautiful futuristic place. A place where you should come and experience. Words don't do any justice. So you can draw a plane and then it will connect to that screen and you can navigate it.
पता किधर चला गया?
We spend around 1.5 hours to 2 hours here at the Art and Science Museum. We are back to the same place. This is Della's and it's just right opposite to Louis Vuitton. Guys, जैसे कि पहले भी कहा था, this is one of the beautiful places to come in Singapore. Come and spend some evening time here. You can bring your food, some snacks or beverage. Sit here, enjoy the skyline. It's really pretty. And what followed is the sound and light show. सिंगापुर में बहुत से लाइट एंड साउंड शो होते हैं, लाइक गार्डन बाय द बेज में होता है, देन यू हैव रेन वॉर्टेक्स में, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ इट. एट मरीना बेज दिस हैपन्स एवरी डे 7:45 PM. I like this place so much that I decided that I will cut my birthday cake right here.
Happy birthday, buddy. तो हम लोग किधर जा रहे हैं वशु? अरब स्ट्रीट.
So Arab Street is must visit for its rich culture, heritage, delicious food, unique shopping experience, vibrant arts. We have very cool little cafes, cool bars, lifestyle shops. So it's a small, let's say 2 hours of experience. You can come at night or in the daytime. Both time visit is worth. But this should be definitely on your list.
Which is this place? What you're looking for?
Blue Jazz.
ये वो वाला ब्लू जैस नहीं है बस. अपन जहाँ पे अपने मैच देखा था ना.
ये अलग.
And that was very relaxed last night at Arab Street. We are checking out tomorrow morning.
एंड हम लोगों ने चेकआउट कर लिया है. आज हमारा लास्ट डे है और अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं
फोर्ट कैनिंग.
या
बिकॉज वो हमारे होटल से लाइक 10 minutes walk है and it was on our list and it's a good place you should visit.
या और आज मंडे भी है तो लाइक नॉर्मली लाइक जैसे हॉलीडे के दिन बहुत गर्दी रहती है पार्क्स एंड बाकी जगह पे, तो हम लोगों ने सोचा कि मंडे लास्ट डे कर लेते तो ज़्यादा गर्दी भी नहीं रहेगी. यार आज आखिरी दिन ऑलरेडी प्लानिंग फॉर सब न्यू डेस्टिनेशन. या
ये कब हुआ?
इसका पता नहीं, मैं तो जा रहा हूँ.
इसके कुछ और ही प्लान्स चल रहे हैं. मुझे पता नहीं ये एयरपोर्ट से सीधा घर आने वाला है कि एयरपोर्ट से ही दूसरी फ्लाइट लेके कहीं और, ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
ऐसे नहीं यार, ऐसा नहीं है. आई लव यू ना, यू नो ना.
Okay, see you. We thought it's a coffee place.
Yeah,
Or
it's a
good
mix
at-
of coffee place.
Thank you.
While we were walking to Fort Canning, we found this beautiful store. It's a music cum coffee place. They sell music instruments, they sell records.
That was a very quick pit stop for coffee and some good pictures. Oh, look at this picture, guys. I like it. Thank you. Very beautiful store.
Thank you so much.
Whenever I'm in Singapore, I'm definitely going to visit this place again.
So, a house of music expression is called Swili, if I am pronouncing correct. Simple now, like we came up and you feel little breezy, like this good little chill air because of trees. मैं सिंगापुर में आने के बाद आई थिंक पेड़ों से और ज़्यादा प्यार करने लगी हूँ. So guys, the garden is really big. You need to come to this McDonald's के बिल्कुल opposite to come to this tree tunnel.
It is a famous photo spot and you would have seen this place in many Instagram pictures. It's called Tree Tunnel or Fort Canning. Actually वहाँ पे बहुत लंबी लाइन थी फोटो की, but we still managed to click some good pictures. Let me show you how it looks like. We are not waiting for the main spot. We
See that cute. It's so cute. And that's the point.
can come early morning and get good pictures without any queue.
We can go from here. So come from this YWCA, then you can directly enter from here to Tree Tunnel.
This place definitely requires a second visit because हम लोग जल्दी में थे. We did very quick tour. It's a very big park and Singapore skyline. Oh my god, it's really beautiful, and if you have blue skies at the backdrop, nothing like it. Now we are heading to Arab Street again. Actually हम लोग वहाँ पे खाना खाने वाले हैं and we are also going to buy some souvenir. Also we feel इस place का दिन में अलग ही charm है. The mural art, the buildings is just amazing. And not to forget good food, veg and non-veg both. कुनाफ हमने पहली बार दुबई में खाया था साहिल और त्रिपुरा के साथ उनकी गाड़ी में बैठ के. So cheers to you guys. And that is the Sultan Mosque जिसके आसपास ये अरब स्ट्रीट बना हुआ है.
गोल्ड शॉप, आई गेस गोल्ड का प्राइस यहाँ पे कम है, बट हम लोग नहीं ड्राइव मारेंगे. Already shopped a lot. And it's raining in Singapore.
We are heading to our hotel to pick our luggage and then to airport. At the end, I would say Singapore is a travel destination worth returning to multiple times. Beautiful city. I love the parks, the greenery here, and there are so many things to do here. This is also a good place for family vacations. So Singapore is a must-visit place.
Oh, it's so cute. बहुत सारी शॉपिंग की है ये महाशय ने. It's not monkey actually.
It's a monkey.
No.
Monkey है वो.
No.
It's a monkey.
It's a ghost.
तुझे यार तू जेव्हा मला सोडून जाशील ना पुण्याला वगैरे हे टाकू नको बोला कैसा मशी मशी बॉय जाएगा नहीं छोड़ के पकड़.
On that note, guys, whatever makes your soul happy, do that.